Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you to the LT and to Ujjwal Chopra. So that's why I've been able to present. Otherwise, my presentation was actually next month. So thank you for the opportunity. So yes, a little bit about my company, which is called Nevraj Foods. It was actually started by my brother, Manish Hathikamani. So both of us are together taking care of the franchise of the kulfis and the ice creams. So these are the three brands that we are dealing with. One is Bombay Kulfi, one is Papa Cream, and the other one is Brooklyn Creamery. So to begin with, about Bombay Kulfi, why the company and why we selected such a brand? Because it provides us with 30 or 40 varieties of kulfi, which is unheard of. Usually whenever we go to a Shibuji or to any restaurant, we actually have only kesar pista, malai, maybe mango, maybe chiku, maximum. But then we at Bombay Kulfi provide you over 40 varieties of kulfis and ice cream, and it is at a very affordable rate between 60 to 85. That's the range of Bombay Kulfi. Further, it is also not made out of preservatives, so it's all freshly made, and whenever we get our stocks down, we actually get it in a period of 10 to 12 days, even though the shelf life is 6 months, but whatever you have at Bombay Kulfi is maximum only about 15 days old. So you're getting fresh stock in variety of flavors. So these are some of the flavors that we have in kulfi sticks, which is priced at 60. Malai, mango, strawberry, sitafal, chocolate, butterscotch. These are the various varieties of sticks that we have. We also have slices, which when you come to our store, you can share it, and you can come in as a family or as a group of friends, and you can share it and have it, and we cut it into pieces and give you. Guava chili is one of our specializations. The other ones are chiku, mango, chocolate, gulkand, mango. These are all the various flavors that we have. We also have a section which is of natural ice creams, which are made by Bombay Kulfi, which is pan flavor, Oreo. So you'll have the biscuit pieces of Oreo inside that, choco chips, crunchy caramel, tender coconut. These are all the varieties that we have in our natural section. So these are some of the flavors that we have, and I would like to begin with first talking about Mr. Vivek Kothari, who's been who's been really nice to me. And I remember that at the first socials that I attended, he told me that whenever somebody is coming to Jessar Road और जब भी उस तरफ आ रहे हैं, मेरे को 20 कुल्फी भेजिया करो और भिजवाया करो. And till today it's been 2 years of me joining BNI, and whenever I've given him a call to tell him that Jessar Road में मेरा stock जा रहा है, he always asks for at least 20-25 kulfis. So thank you Vivek Bhaiya for being such an amazing member. But which is your favorite flavor? Which one do you like?
The worst part for Mahesh Bhai is always in the delivery in the mid of the afternoon. So I very rarely meet with all the kulfis, all the flavors. But actually guava is the which I like.
Thank you. So having said that guava is his favorite. So Yash, can you please present the video? So this is what our guava kulfi looks like. Okay, so that's how, so we sprinkle a little chili powder on top of the guava to make it more tantalizing and to make it better. So this is what we do. Another flavor which we really have and which is very famous is the Shahi Gulab. So this is made with rose petals and cashew nut pieces. And to give a testimony for that, I would like to ask Akash that what do you think about the Shahi Gulab of Bombay Kulfi?
Well, me and my mother become Tom and Jerry when it's about when it comes to Shahi Gulab. We both are really fond of ice creams, and we have a fight because I order 6 to 7 discs of those, and my mother always eats 4 to 5 of them, leaving me with 2. The same problem that Mr. Kothari has. So I believe my family is a big fan of Shahi Gulab, and he's always been a very sweet guy. Like there are times when I've ordered at 10 o'clock, 10:30, and he's been kind enough to send those. So thank you for satiating those midnight sweet cravings.
So that's about the Shahi Gulab. So we also have Bombay Kulfi in family packs, which you can take it like a block ice cream. Like how you have a block ice cream, we have block Kulfi, which is equivalent to 4 or 5 pieces of kulfis, which otherwise you would pay 400 rupees for it, but it comes at a neat pack of 300. Plus this would not require dry ice, which is the extra expenses are cut off, and we give it to you in a gel pack, complimentary, so at least for 2.5 hours, there's no problem. Someone who can vouch for these family packs is Sharad Kyal. Always whenever, again, it going towards Jessar Road, he orders minimum of 5 to 6 family packs. So Sharad, what are your views?
Same problem that Vivek is facing. So Sitafal and Sohoberi are my favorite, but all our neighbors also love it. So जब भी आता है उस तरफ में stock soapy, I order for myself and my neighbors and everyone around. तो वो 6-7 family pack हो जाता है. So he's been always kind enough कि कोई order है जैसे लोग जा रहे हैं भेज दो, हाँ भेज दो.
Right. Thank you. And we also have party packs. So these are for the caterers. If you could really connect me to them, that would be wonderful. Who find 80-85 is not in that budget. We also provide party packs, which is at 2050, and this is equivalent to 80 pieces. So that becomes very, very doable for a caterer. So if you have any connects, I would request you to connect me to them. Mr. Suresh Mota is when he had his opening of his house, when he had his Grah Pravesh, he was the taker of this. So भैया, what are your views?
इसके पीछे एक स्टोरी है. My wife loves and make good सीताफल ice cream वगैरह. So we have a house opening, some small gathering, और उस दिन हुआ कि सीताफल की गुल्फी उन्होंने बनाई, लेकिन वो इफेक्टिव नहीं बनी. अब उनको टेंशन हो गया, क्या करें. फिर करने की चिंता क्या, महेश भाई है, महेश भाई को फोन किया. Within 2 hours in New Town, we are delivered, and everybody likes this सीताफल गुल्फी.
Thank you. So that's about for Bombay Kulfi. So what are we launching this Diwali? Just have a look at the screen, please.
Just 1 minute left.
So this Diwali we are launching Motichur Laddu Kulfi as well, and it will be available in family packs. So if you want to pre-order for Diwali, you can do so. And we are giving it in this attractive packaging of Bombay Kulfi, written Happy Diwali. And again, so as I said, I requested you for Caterer Connects. These are some items which we have at much lower prices. So in case you have a get-together at your place or you have any function, if you let me know 1 week in advance, we have baby sticks at 40 rupees and baby slices at 50 rupees. In case somebody finds 60 and 85 very expensive, so we do it also in baby in a smaller package.